Thank you for Modern Manufacturing India for giving me this opportunity to explain about our participation in IMTEX 2025. LMW is always looking for showcasing during the IMTEX the latest developments of our products, which includes a variety of applications to cover all the industries which are focused in automobile, aerospace, medical, die and mold and various other industries. And whatever the new developments which are taking place in our company, it gives us a great opportunity to really explain to our customers in such a way that how we are focused towards our customer need is being clearly exhibited during this IMTEX 2025. Now, Lakshmi Machine Works Limited, we have changed the name to LMW Limited. This has given a very significant focus for our customers, as LMW is known for the past 60 years in both textile and machine tool business. It is very easy for the branding and for the customer to recognize LMW. When it comes to our products, we continue our focus on innovation and also giving the value for our customer. The kind of value what we are going to give it to the customer on reliability and also the effectiveness and efficiency of the products will definitely be a world class as of this exhibition, and which you will witness during your visit to the exhibition. As you know, LMW is the first company which has started straight away with CNC machine with a Japanese collaboration almost 40 years ago. In spite of number of years, we kept modernizing every aspect of our business. We have made a state-of-the-art factory for 2 lakh square foot. If you look at the whole company, each and every aspect is changed according to the modern requirements, whether it is the application engineering or whether it is the internal ERP system or whether it is absolutely effective, efficient manufacturing, everything is changed. We use our Japanese consultants on a continuous basis to upgrade our manufacturing capabilities and also on quality standards. Our focus is towards customer value, and that is what has been highly focused, and we are all inviting you to come and visit us to really witness yourself the changes what has taken place to keep this company as young as it was as it started.